15 Ways Princess Catherine Strengthens the Bond of the Royal Family. Princess Catherine has been an asset to the House of Windsor. Many events threaten to fracture the royal family. However, Princess Catherine remains a solid contributor to the success of the royal family. Watch to discover 15 ways Princess Catherine strengthens the royal family's bond. Number 1. Royal Peacemaker. In a big family like the British royals, there are bound to be rifts and disagreements between members. However, almost everything can be smoothed over with the help of the renowned royal peacemaker, Princess Catherine. Her uncle Gary Goldsmith pointed out this remarkable quality during an interview with Closer magazine in 2021. This was after Harry and Meghan's interview with Oprah. Interestingly, Gary said, "The harsh truth, in my opinion, is that there will soon be no common ground or relationship to build. But if anyone can bring peace to the royals, Catherine can. Catherine is a brilliant judge and peacemaker. Every bone in her body is about making friends and doing her best. She's trying to mediate." The Ibiza-based consultant observed how his niece tried to improve relations between William and Harry at Prince Philip's funeral in April. The Princess of Wales also practiced her peacemaking skills on other royal members like King Charles and Queen Consort Camilla. According to royal author Angela Levin, in her updated biography Camilla, Catherine eased tensions between her husband Prince William and his father King Charles III during the early years of her marriage. She also formed a friendly relationship with Camilla, and to achieve this, Catherine has a love of the arts, which William doesn't particularly share, so she often goes privately and publicly with the Queen Consort and King Charles to see exhibitions. Number 2. Regular family gatherings. Likely due to her peacemaking skills, Princess Catherine has organized several family events which help connect the family. Late Queen Elizabeth loved Easter celebrations because it strengthened the family bond. It always served as a family reunion before their popular get-together at Balmoral Castle, Scotland. According to tradition, the family will gather at Windsor Castle. Royal expert Ingrid Stewart told The Sun that Princess Catherine would likely organize an Easter egg hunt for the royal children in 2023. She told The Sun, "Catherine is a great organizer and will almost certainly organize an Easter egg hunt. The children can also go to the Royal Mews and see the horses. Furthermore, there's an indoor pool for swimming and ponies for them to ride." She organizes and promotes regular family gatherings, ensuring all members have a chance to connect and strengthen their bonds. In December 2022, the young princess organized her second Christmas Carol theme together. This is one of the events the royals look forward to. Number 3. Championing common causes. Members of the royal family attend social events together. It's not uncommon to see multiple royals honor a social engagement. For example, the 2021 Big Lunch event of the Eden Project at Cornwall, where Queen Elizabeth, Queen Consort Camilla, and Princess Catherine graced the occasion with their presence. Peter Stewart, the executive director of the Eden Project, likened this occurrence to comets. According to Cornwall Live, Stewart said, "It's like comets. They don't come around very often. I was trying to remember the last time that the three were on an official engagement together like this. I can only think of one at Fortnum and Mason. But this was something else," he continued. In addition to attending royal engagements with other royals, Princess Catherine took her activities a notch higher and developed organizations and campaigns with other royals. Several people are aware of the Heads Together campaign launched by Catherine, William, and Harry in May 2016. However, they are unaware of other initiatives like the Mental Health Innovations, which the trio established in 2017 under the umbrella of the Royal Foundation. The Royal Foundation was founded in 2009 by Prince William and Prince Harry. Catherine joined the foundation after her marriage to William in 2011. This resulted in the formulation of Heads Together and other mental health-related organizations. Unfortunately, Prince Harry's decision to leave active royal service in 2019 prevented him from participating in the foundation. According to its website, Mental Health Innovations, MHI, is a digital mental health charity that uses digital innovation, data-driven analysis, and the experience of clinical experts to improve the mental health of the UK population through the provision of digital tools, support, and resources. It's responsible for Shout 85258, a free confidential 24/7 text messaging support service for anyone who's struggling with their mental health. Shout began in May 2018 and was launched publicly in May 2019. Princess Catherine is proactive in highlighting common causes important to the royals. Did you know that Princess Catherine initiated the Heads Together idea? She noticed a trend in her work and that of the royal brothers. After telling them her idea, the trio came together to develop their first campaign, Heads Together. Number 4. Supporting royal duties. Princess Catherine is not a woman who avoids her work. Although she has 3 children, she's committed to her royal duties. People.com writes, "As a patron of several charitable organizations, Catherine stays informed on key projects and initiatives and spotlights their work through her various engagements. Catherine always does her homework and doesn't go on visits on a wing and a prayer," says an insider. "She reads the paper and puts in the effort. She's a hard-working person." In addition to her duties, the princess is also interested in the unity and progress of the royal family. She's a great support to Prince William and the monarchy. "I think the secret of Wales' marriage is that it's very much a partnership," True Royalty TV co-founder Nick Bullen told Fox News Digital. "If you look at other royal relationships that have worked, they've been partnerships. I'm told very clearly that the Princess of Wales is very much part of the decision-making process in Kensington Palace," says Bullen. "She knows how to best work with William, and William, as we know from the stories of his explosion with Prince Harry, can have a temper. And I think the Princess of Wales is very good at managing the Prince of Wales. It's a partnership, and he knows how good she is and what a useful tool she is for the royal family." Catherine's been successful because she understands the importance of being part of a team, and she's developed the ability to glow and to stand out. Historian Robert Lacey, who's worked as a consultant on The Crown, is quoted in Nichols' The New Royals. "She gives out a message of support to her husband, her family, and the wider royal family. She seems likely to be a Princess of Wales who does not detract from her prince, but instead forms a unit." Number 5. Involvement in family traditions. As expected from a family which has been around for centuries, the British royal family has an established set of traditions. Some are silly, like standing on a measuring scale before and after a meal, while some have greater significance, like the coronation ceremony. As a senior royal, Princess Catherine embraces these long-standing traditions and respects them. She recognizes that the family's tradition maintains order and establishes their identity. Number 6. Open communication. Princess Catherine advocates for unity in the larger royal space and brings her beliefs and action to the home front. PureWow.com writes, "Catherine often uses her go-to move, bending down to meet children at eye level. The power shift can foster open communication and create a comfortable environment for kids. The princess has used it on her children and people she meets in public. Open communication is key for them, but they set boundaries and have rules in place," a source close to the family told Us Weekly. The source added that Catherine and William wanted their children to express their emotions and ask questions to enable them to grow up as healthy adults. Furthermore, whether they're attending royal events or spending time on the grounds of Windsor Castle, the family of 5 knows there's one strict household rule that cannot be forgotten: controlling their voice volume. According to The Sun, a source reported that while the children are encouraged to talk about their feelings, communication is paused when voices are raised. Shouting is absolutely off limits for the children, and any hint of shouting at each other is dealt with by removal, the source told The Sun in June 2020. Number 7. The modern royal mom. As a mother, Catherine sets an excellent example for her children, modeling respect, grace, and duty, which helps maintain a strong family unit. Princess Catherine and Prince William may be down-to-earth and incredibly loving when it comes to Prince George, Princess Charlotte, and Prince Louis, but that doesn't stop them from being strict with their parenting. They're making sure their children know the proper way to behave in and outside of the palace, which we think is healthy, says Cafe Mom. It's been said that William and Catherine have revealed that they want to raise smart, interesting kids who are disciplined. And from what we've seen of George, Charlotte, and Louis so far, it looks like they're well on their way to achieving their ultimate parenting goal, the publication continued. A royal source informed Observer.com that Princess Catherine wants to lead by example and be a good role model for her children, so she spends evenings with George, Charlotte, and Louis. Number 8. Charitable work. Charity work has always been one of the core pillars of the British royal family. Before Princess Catherine joined the royal family, she did some volunteer work, so it wasn't difficult to join the charity wagon. Princess Catherine contributed to charitable areas like addiction, children's development, and the arts at the start of her royal career. She's extended this list to include mental health, sports, and the outdoors. She and her husband also run the Royal Foundation of the Prince and Princess of Wales, which covers various charitable interests. The princess worked with many children's organizations, including Place to Be, Family Action, and the Anna Freud National Center for Children and Families. Via Royal Central, she quickly realized that most societal challenges could be traced back to childhood experiences. So she launched a survey to help her with the early intervention program. According to the Daily Mail, Catherine's research showed that missed early intervention costs England and Wales roughly £17 billion per year due to societal issues such as addiction, homelessness, mental health struggles, and other problems that could be avoided by addressing issues in early childhood. Kirsty Day, an ambassador for UK charity, the Forward Trust, told Hello that she admired Catherine for raising awareness about early intervention. Day, who suffered from a childhood of drug abuse, said that the princess was a role model for other mothers and would inspire the public to learn more. Princess Catherine's innovativeness and proactiveness and large heart are the vessels powering her charity work. Her actions encourage her children and other royal members to work wholeheartedly, hence ensuring the unity and progress of the royal family. Number 9. Bridge between generations. Princess Catherine hosted a 2021 Christmas Carol service, joined by senior and younger members of the royal family. Royal expert Dickie Arbiter explained how the occasion showed the younger royals were stepping up. He told Female, "It's the third generation taking the lead. We're living in a time Wales is the bridge within the monarchy." Dickie explained, "The carol service was Catherine's idea, but it's one way for other members of the royal family, who have all been involved on the COVID front, to come together and say thank you. It was the Princess of Wales initiative, who worked closely with the Duke." The royal expert continued to explain the significance of the work from the Prince and Princess of Wales for the future of the monarchy. He said, "Young people know who the Queen is, but they can't quite attune with someone so distant regarding the age gap. When you have people like Wales, they act as a bridge between the young and older generations." Some royals in attendance include the Countess of Wessex and William's cousin Zara Tindall, and Princess Eugenie attending the event. Number 10. Support during difficult times. Princess Catherine has been a major support to Prince William and the general royal family for a long time. From instances of death to scandals that threatened the peace of the royals, Catherine's been a solid pillar of support. Via Hello, William revealed in 2022 that becoming a father had brought back some of the trauma of his mother's death, but his wife helped him deal with it. "Catherine and I particularly support each other. We go through those moments together and we kind of evolve and learn together," he explained. During Prince Andrew's scandal, Princess Catherine supported the royal family. She engaged in activities that positively influenced people's perception of the family. Number 11. Empathy and understanding. Although Princess Catherine has to be strong, she's not afraid to empathize with people at the other end of the scale. In 2022, Princess Catherine showed a special empathy towards a group of fellow parents at a London-based research facility called Tommy, who experienced pregnancy loss. According to People, she spoke with the group about the trauma of losing a child and heard their inspiring stories of how they're supporting others who go through heart-wrenching bereavement. Chief Executive of Tommy's Jane Bruin, that Catherine was impressed the parents were doing things to make sure that their child didn't die in vain, that there was a legacy for their child. She was very moved by that personal sacrifice, and she was very empathetic to the suffering that parents had endured, Bruin said. The July 2023 Daily Mail publication states, "The Princess of Wales appeared tearful in a rare emotional moment in public as she watched Owen Jabber lose the women's final of Wimbledon on Saturday. Throughout the match, the royal, a huge tennis fan, cheered, applauded, and grinned as the unseeded Czech became the first ever unseeded Grand Slam champion. However, she also empathized with Jabeur, who openly wept after losing the match. Catherine was moved by the action and appeared to wipe tears from her eyes as she watched the match's conclusion from the royal box. After some time, the princess went to comfort and empathize with Jabeur. The young princess's ability to empathize with strangers and family is like a soothing balm that comforts everyone who needs it." Number 12. Shared family time. The life of a royal is very busy. Although Princess Catherine and Prince William say their priority is their children, it's not surprising if they relegated to second position during their royal career. The family's planned vacation allows them to connect and help create a strong bond and unity within their family. In July 2022, the couple opted for a staycation. They love Norfolk, and Prince William recently telling Apple Time to walk, "We spent as much time as we can here. It's very peaceful." The family of 5 also visited Balmoral Castle during the holidays. Prince William said back in 2021, "George, Charlotte, and Louis already know how dear Scotland is to both of us, and they're starting to build their happy memories here too." Royal expert Ingrid Seward explained, "Balmoral is an absolute paradise for children. All the kids love it up here because they have picnics every day, and sometimes at night they have family barbecues, which were always a favorite of Prince Philip. And kids don't care about the midges and the rain," Ingrid told The Sun. The royal vacation is a time for the family to relax and behave like an average family. Number 13. Support. Over the years, the royal family's experienced a few shaky moments. From the saga of the Sussexes, the death of Prince Philip, Queen Elizabeth, and other events, Catherine ensures that she and her family make regular public appearances, presenting a united and strong family image. After Harry and Meghan announced their decision to leave the royal family, Prince William and Catherine made their first public appearance. The news was a bombshell that seemingly rocked the royal family. Arriving at Bradford Hall for their first joint outing of 2020, the duo were all smiles, waving to fans as they entered the 19th century building. According to Hello, the Prince and Princess of Wales made their first public appearance on Thursday, 2 days after Prince Harry's explosive memoir, Spare, was released in January. The young princess has also shown a united front with other royal family members. In 2021, Queen Elizabeth, Prince Charles, Camilla, William, and Catherine appeared in a program celebrating the Commonwealth and paying tribute to the world's frontline healthcare workers. Number 14. Promoting family achievements. As the royal peacemaker, Princess Catherine is committed to the progress of other royals. She regularly acknowledges and celebrates the achievements of other family members, providing an environment of encouragement and celebration. Number 15. Maintaining privacy. The life of a public figure can be exhausting. It's even worse if your childhood involved the paparazzi. Hence, Princess Catherine protects her children from excessive public scrutiny. It helps the children live normal lives and strengthens the bond of the family. That's it for 15 ways Princess Catherine strengthens the bond of the royal family. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our future posts. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.